1/35 scale ET model upgrade set for the Trumpeter BM21 up next. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from Model Builder International and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a review from a sample sent to us by ET Model for the Russian BM21. That's for the 1/35 scale Trumpeter kit. So let's just get over to the bench and get right into this and show you what we got going on. Okay, today we're going to be looking at the aftermarket set from ET Modeler for the Trumpeter kit, the Russian BM21 Grad multiple rocket launcher, and these are the weighted wheels for it. The package comes in a plastic bag with a hard backing and 2 bags inside it. So we're going to open this bad boy up and see what we have in here. Okay, inside the package are 2 Ziploc bags with 7 wheels. I'll open these guys up for you. Okay, you have 7 replacement wheels, or 6 replacement wheels and 1 spare wheel. All of them are in the weighted position, and ET Model did the right thing of putting the pour stubs at the bottom where the wheel would be weighted. So this way when it's on the diorama or just sitting down, the wheels will be towards the bottom anywhere you may have cut marks on there. The spare wheel has a little flash inside, which is no great task to cut that out. I could probably even get it out with my finger if I wanted to. Now let's see if we could get this into a good position where you can see how detailed the wheels are. If you see there's little, it's hard to see, but once you would paint them and weather them, there's little the markings for the tire in here, how they're made. The tread is excellent. You can see the slices in the tread. They are cast in gray resin. The weight on them really isn't that much compared to other ones that I've seen that are weighted. It's very, very minimal on the weighting. There is a little bulge at the bottom of each of them, and each comes with where it's supposed to be on the vehicle. The added system in here on the back of this one, and you'll see a few others just go right into the axle. 3 of them go into the axle, and then 3, or actually 2, have the, I'm assuming the brake, looks like the braking system. So they did add a lot of detail into them. The lugs on the front here, all of them have the same tread pattern, and like I said, they're bulged very little, but they do have a bulge to them. And on the spare, you can see how detailed they got with the little lug holes there, and just a little cleanup on those. So these are definitely an excellent add-on to change out the wheels on your kit. And if you're a beginner to advanced, these are easy just to put on. It's not something that a beginner wouldn't be able to use. Well, that's it for this ET Model review. It's a nice little set, quick review. It's going to add that extra bit of realism to your build. We will be having more reviews on ET Model products that are a little more advanced for the intermediate to advanced modeler, but we'll get to those in the future. I'd like to thank you all for stopping by and watching all the videos that we have going on. If you have not subscribed to us here on YouTube, right to the right of me is going to be a little circle. Just click that and you'll be able to subscribe to us here, and the square next to that will bring you to modelbuilderinternational.com. If you haven't checked out the site, come check it out. Paul Tosny's always putting up tons and tons of articles on good stuff, and hopefully in the near future we're going to have that community finally up for you guys to check it out. Come join the community, make new friends, put up your builds. We love to see all that stuff. If you have any questions or comments, or you want to see something specific on the channel, just drop it in the comments section below. Me or Paul will get back to you right away, or as quickly as we can. All right guys, well, thanks again for watching another video, and we'll see you all soon. Take care.